Akai MPC One. I got my smackers kit and I got a sample. And we're just gonna get straight into beat making today. The smackers kit is now available. You can get that from down in the description. Today is just about making music, man. Making music and putting time in. What's going on, guys? It's your brother O.T.G. O.T.G's for Overtime Grind. Hardly seen, but I'm always around. Today, we just talking making beats, bro. Just simple making beats. Hop in that thing, you know, tap your tempo, come up with a cool arrangement, tap your tempo, and then hit record and just start making beats, bro. You know, get you a drum kit. I got the smackers kit right here if you want it, but if you don't want it, get your own kit. Stick with it, mold it, and then some days just load it up. This was my beat exercise for the morning. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Just check out the video. I'm gonna let the beat play. Get some practice in today, man. That's what I do every day. A couple minutes every day make you better.